Baby. Honey. Honey. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm so glad that you tuned in. And so today what we're going to be talking about and putting our points down is what do you need to know before you have a YouTube channel, because this space is so saturated and it's so frustrating for us as YouTubers and small YouTubers and big YouTubers. It's actually quite frustrating, and I want you to watch this till the end if you really want to find out what do you need to do and what are the points to take into notes if you want to start a YouTube channel. So I'm going to need you to tune into the end. So the first point that you need to do is, when you're having a YouTube channel, is you need to get to the point. Keep people entertained to the end. So the second point that you need to do is you need to follow along what you have been doing. Like, don't frustrate people in your content. What I mean is your content should match, and what you're doing on your content should follow along the same subject. Like if you're doing a YouTube video on how to keep your subscribers and how to have retention and stuff, your videos need to have the same thing until the end. Maybe you need to keep your content maybe for like 2 months or so if you're not currently doing videos a lot, but you need to keep your content the same until you change. Of course you can change now, it's so easy, it's like takes 2 minutes to change, but you need to keep your content like to the point, and your people don't need to get frustrated with your content. Like if you're doing a video on eyebrows, you need to keep consistent on makeup, then you need to do makeup till maybe like you need to have like 4 videos or so. But if you're having a video on eyebrows, now you're having a video on gaming, now you're having a video on get to know me tag, Hybo, you're frustrating us, you know. People are going to be like, what is she doing? She's doing so many things at once, and people are going to unsubscribe to your channel, and that's going to destroy your video retention, and that's going to destroy your engagement on YouTube. You know what I'm saying? So you need to keep your content the same until people are tuned into the same thing. If you get what I'm saying, you know what I'm saying? Keep it to one niche, you know. I'm not saying focus on one niche, but just keep it simple. Yeah. Another thing that you should look out for is don't waste people's time. People are watching your videos because they love you, and people are watching your videos because they want to subscribe and have more look out for content for your videos. So you need to keep people in your videos like till the end. Like, people are busy. When I say people are busy, like people are extremely busy, and you need to keep people till the end, and you don't need to waste people's time. If you feel like you have done a video and you feel like you need to take some points out, then maybe you should do that, but maybe you should keep people entertained in your videos till the end. So people are extremely busy. You need to understand that they're wasting their data or Wi-Fi watching your videos, so your videos need to be watched till the end. So you're gonna have to get straight to the point when people are watching. And don't be like, so guys, yesterday I was doing so much schoolwork, and you know what happened last week? Hybo, people are not tuned into your video for that. People are tuned in for what the subject you wrote in the keywords, and you need to watch your keywords when you're writing them on YouTube, because YouTube is going to rank you till the end if they see that your videos is doing well. So you need to have the algorithm like you. Like, YouTube is not going to notice you in the first time that you've done a video. You know what I'm saying? You need to keep uploading more videos in order for the algorithm to notice you. Now, the algorithm is what I'll explain in my next video, and I need you to stay tuned for that, because I'm going to explain more on what the algorithm is and what are the assumptions to YouTube. So I'm going to need you to stay tuned to my next video. Another thing that you should do is, when you're having a YouTube channel, is put a little zazz, put a little personality into your videos if you feel like your person has personality, you know. At the same time, be straightforward. Tell people what they need to know at that current moment. Of course, you can have a little personality in order to attract more people onto your videos, but you need to keep straight to the point and have fun. Like, enjoy YouTube. YouTube is your space. YouTube is a place to also grow as a person. You know, YouTube is it's such a good platform for anyone to start. Another thing that you should take into account is do videos like consistently. When I say do videos, is you should have more uploads on your phone or on your camera more than what people are seeing, because you may have done videos that you didn't like, and you may have done videos that you thought you should upload, and your videos should be ahead even if you haven't uploaded for a time, but your videos should be ahead. You shouldn't be doing a video last minute and be like, oh my gosh, I need to do a video now, my YouTube channel is due. And that's what I wanted to emphasize is you don't need to make promises to people that you are not going to fulfill. That's going to destroy you. You know what I'm saying? Life happens sometimes and you're not always in the mood to do a video. So don't do a video when you're not in the mood, especially like if you feel like crying or in your bed and you're just feeling down. Please don't do that, because that's gonna destroy your quality of your videos that you have been trying to win with people. You know what I'm saying? So don't do a video that people won't like, or don't do like a video now last minute and you're thinking people are gonna like your video, or you know you are just behind. Because even if you have done videos, but make sure you upload more. That's what I'm saying. Like, do videos more than you should be uploading, because that's gonna keep people entertained, and that's gonna make you like organized. You're gonna be an organized person because you have done a lot of videos, and now when there's an emergency you don't need to start like, oh my gosh, where's the ring lights, where's the phone, now you need to do a video. You know, that's gonna frustrate you in and all. So just do more uploads, and make sure your uploads are more. Like, you need to know what your content will be even in the next 7 or 8 weeks. You know, like, I know in my next video that what I'll be doing. Like, I know what I'll be doing, and as I told you guys, I'll be doing a video on what are the assumptions of YouTube. You see, I already know what I'll be doing on, because I'm ahead and I don't need to constantly do YouTube or have people ask me now, it's Thursday, you promised us a video and now you're not delivering. Haibo, you know, it's gonna frustrate you. Now you're gonna be like, oh my gosh, I'm late and stuff, oh my gosh, I'm so sorry you guys. You know, it's gonna be just a mess. So make sure you are organized as much as that possible. You should do when you're trying to upload more videos, or you're doing a YouTube video like you're currently talking to people, is make sure that people stay tuned till the end on your videos, and make sure you don't bore people or say, guys, so my video is ending now, people are going to tune out of the video, and it's going to destroy your retention, it's going to destroy your viewers. What are you looking for in your viewers and your engagements in your videos? And that's going to not look good on YouTube, and YouTube is going to start not recommending your videos to a lot of people, because you said your video is ending, and now people are not getting the points of what you wanted to say, because you said your video is ending and now the person has tuned out and they thought you ending the video because you said so. You know, don't say guys, so my video is ending. No, don't do that, because people are gonna stay out of your video and that's gonna destroy your retention. So yeah guys, don't say that. And another point that I also wanted to say is, tell your audience to watch till the end, like how I've been saying in my videos, like consistently. I was like, I'm gonna need you to watch to the end, I'm gonna need you to watch to the end, because that's gonna make people stay tuned to the end, and you're gonna get like maybe a subscriber at the end, because people have watched your video and they like it. You know what I'm saying? This YouTube phase is not child's game. But anyways, we push and we go on. So if you watch this video and you really like my video, please make sure you like my video and subscribe and comment down below. Tell me what you want to see next and what you want to enjoy and see on my videos. So really want to thank you guys for watching till the end. So yeah, Peace out. I love you so much, guys. Bye.